Morning, guys. It's April 7th, 2020. This one here I'm going to do a little video on you can't please everybody. And that's a real true statement because no matter how much you try, there's certain percentage of people that have a different outlook, a different way of thinking, and you're never going to please everybody. I found that out in business and in life and even on YouTube. It's the same thing. I mean, you probably please like maybe 90, 97, 98% of the time the people. And that other 2%, I mean, I don't care what you do. They're gonna hate you, and it's just how it is. I mean, no matter how good of a person you try to be or joking around or kidding around, there's always that percentage of people that are just gonna buck heads with you and oh you're this, you're that, you should live like me or whatever it is. I mean, it goes on and it's like that with business and in life and with friendships. I mean, it's just how it is. And I get a big kick out of a lot of times people, I got this YouTube channel and you see some of the comments that come through. It's just no matter what it is, I mean, it's just negativity. And I'm not big into the old Debbie Downer thing. I mean, I rather be around positive people. I think that you should try to keep your life positive and have a good attitude. And people that are toxic like that, you need to just get away from them and stay away from them. I don't want no part of being around toxic people because they'll drag you down with their stupidity and beat you with it. I mean, it just, no thanks. I'm all set with that. I want to stay positive. I want to laugh and enjoy my life. And yeah, some of the stuff, some of the comments I get about my dog, it's like unbelievable. People talk shit about my dog. You know, I'm a dog person. I like to have a dog around. I think life's better with a dog, and they're always friendly to be around. I like to take her to work with me. You know, if something happens to my dog, I'll get another one. I mean, I just always think life's better with a dog. And people that have dogs, and they'll probably say the same thing. They give you a lot of joy, you know. The more I'm around people, the more I want to hang around my dog. Ain't that a true statement? Let me say that again. The more I'm around people, the more time I want to spend with my dog. She's over there looking at me like, what the hell are you doing, Dad? It's not in trouble again. I'm going to get in trouble with this. I get people that talk about my truck and, oh my God, look at how much of a mess it is and this and that and OCD and everything should be perfect. And it's a work truck guy, you know? Oh. And then I get other people that, oh my God, the last video I did about the lady, this real pretty lady almost looked like a Barbie doll, but in her feet she had these long ass toenails, right? Just see some of the comments I get about that. Oh my God. Some of the ladies that left comments, oh my God, you lost all respect for me and this and that. I like to see that critter's paws. Oh my God, they're probably even worse. I'm gonna get in trouble for this, Joe. I'm gonna get in trouble for this one. But anyway, yeah, like I said, you can't please everybody, no matter what you do. You do a funny video about something that happened to you in the past, you know, and you thought it was funny. You're looking back on it now and laugh about it. And oh my God, people get all bumhurt about it. Oh my God. It's almost like just reading some of them comments, I get a good belly laugh out of them. You know, obviously, if someone's nasty to me and trying to be a jerk, I'll just block that person so I don't have to deal with the negativity anymore. I mean, that's how I am. I don't want to deal with negative people. I try to keep my life positive and have a good outlook. I mean, that's what we all should strive for. You know. No, and I'm not on no happy pills. I'm not on no drugs and nothing like that. This is just me. I do take vitamin D and B12 and all them vitamins to keep my vitamin level up where it needs to be, especially when, you know, you're not working, you're inside all day. Yeah, I take vitamins. I'm a big believer in taking vitamin D, D3. I load up on that stuff. Vitamin D3, B12, vitamin C, zinc, all that stuff now with the corona going around. I mean, you have to try to stay healthy. Your immune system comes from your microbiome, which is your gut and everything. So I try to eat salads and stay healthy. All right, so what else do I got going on here? I wrote a bunch of stuff down I could talk about. My thoughts on marriage. Now, I've been married before, and I got a beautiful daughter, and I don't regret being married at all. That was back in the day. I only got married one time. I had plenty of opportunities to marry other ladies, beautiful ladies. I probably should have married a whole bunch of them over the time, but yeah, I never did. I never pulled the trigger a second time. Will I? Maybe someday I might. If I meet the right girl and she's got more money than me, I'd marry her. She's got to have at least what I have or more. Because the way marriage is now, I mean, you know, you go along good 5, 6, 7 years, all of a sudden she decides she's not happy and she wants to drain the tub out, let the baby out with the bathwater. There goes all your profits you ever made your whole life gone. So that's my, you know, she'd have to be one hot-looking chick, you know, with a nice set of fog lights and rich. I'm only kidding. I'm going to get in trouble for this one, too. Oh, my God. But anyway, yeah, I'd marry again, but she'd have to be the right girl. I mean, I want half. I get people, oh, my God. Some of the comments, I mean, just off the flipping wall. So the moral to this video is try to stay positive, laugh, and have a good time. Enjoy your life, you know. Don't be a Debbie Downer. No one likes a Debbie Downer. I mean, it just drained the life right out of you. So I haven't really had a lot of work videos. I really been just trying to take a break from the work videos. Beyond, I did them for 7 years. I mean, I got, 2,600 videos? I needed a flipping break. But I gotta keep this YouTube channel going. I'm gonna decide on doing something with it, but this is kind of just breaking it up to little funny videos and yeah, and try to enjoy yourself, guys. You know, try to keep positive, keep a positive attitude. No one likes that. No one likes a hater or you know, always trying to knock somebody down. Try to lift somebody up. Try to help somebody. Lift somebody up. Don't kick somebody when they're down. You know. And we all, you know, I know this is a bad time for everybody. Everybody's in lockdown right now. But this is a video that, you know, some people might like to hear it. And hopefully I get some thumbs up. Even that, I get a bunch of thumbs down on some of these videos. I was like, what did I do wrong to get the thumbs down? It doesn't matter. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I mean, it all goes into the same chooch. It doesn't matter, but when I first started the YouTube video, I used to get all bumhurt about thumbs down. Now I could care less. Some videos I get 50, 60 thumbs down. It's like, I don't know why, but who cares? I mean, it don't matter. When I first started, I used to get all bumhurt. You can't get bumhurt about stuff, you know? You could have a thick skin. Where's Molly? Come on, you want to say hi to the people? Come on, Molly, come here. All right, guys, here's Molly. Miss Molly. My little buddy. Gonna say hi to the people, Molly? Huh? Look at she's all crazy because I've been laughing over here. It's like, what's going on? How come you're laughing? She gets all like that when I start laughing, like she don't know if I'm mad or what it is. When I start laughing like that, a lot of times she'll want to get down, and she gets a little nervous when I start laughing like that. But that's my little buddy. I love Miss Molly. She's such a joy to have around, and brings a lot of joy to my life, taking care of her, and she's like a little kid, you know. I think life's better with a dog. I don't regret getting her one bit. She's been with me since 3 months, and love her to death, the little bugger. Love her to death. Anyway, guys, just a quick little vlog, and I'm curious on what I get for comments on this one. All right, stay positive, have a good attitude, take your vitamins, get out for a walk, and this will pass. We'll all get over this, you know. We'll all get over this corona, the bat flu. Eat your bats today. Look at Molly like, what are you doing, Dad? You're going to get in trouble doing that. Laughing on YouTube, you're going to get in trouble. You're going to get in trouble laughing on YouTube. Positive attitude. All right, more videos to come.